Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to take a look at the Pilot Automac, A-U-T-O-M-A-C, Automac mechanical pencil. And this was recommended by someone in the comments of one of my other videos for me to check out, and I'm really curious to give it a shot. It looks like a pretty neat pen. I'm sorry, a neat pencil. So let's open this thing up and take a look. Alright, so let's see. Not a bad container. Care guide. Alright, let's see. My Japanese is... I can't say my Japanese is rusty. Maybe non-existent would be more accurate. Let's see. Automatic feeding mechanism. You can keep writing without feeding the lead by pressing the knob. The lead does not have to come out of the guide pipe for writing. Double push the button mechanism. The tip is retractable, so it will not damage the shirt or pocket, etc. Also, it can be protected even when dropped. For writing, push the knob down all the way as shown, and the tip, that is the guide pipe and the mouthpiece, will protrude and be fixed in place. Press the knob about halfway and the lead will protrude. You can write continuously and the lead will be fed automatically until it is totally depleted. The tip is retractable by pressing the knob down completely. After writing, push the end of the lead while pressing the knob halfway in. Alright, is there anything I need on the back? When the pipe recedes during writing, replacing the lead, blah blah blah, taking it apart. Whatever. Okay. So, first of all, it feels pretty good. Second of all, it's trapped. It's trapped in some plastic. Alright. There we go. We've set it free. Alright. Well, we don't need that. Alright. So, it's the Pilot Automac. I'm going to see that. So first of all, it feels pretty good. It has a decent weight to it. So let's see. I'm supposed to press this thing down all the way to deploy it. And then I press it part way. Okay, hold on. This is going to take some practice. And then press it part way to extend the lead, or release the lead. Okay, that's cool. Alright, so it's kind of a clicky top lead pencil. So this is the Pilot Automac mechanical pencil. And this one happens to be a 0.5 millimeter lead version of it. It writes pretty good. Okay, so I'm pretty sure what I'm supposed to do is I depress this thing a little bit to push the lead back in, and then I clicky it all the way to have it go back in. And that's cool. And then, kind of interesting. It has a good look to it too. I like the look and feel of the pen. I'm sorry, the pencil. It's not super expensive. It's like $20-25 in that range. I'll include a link in the description if you want to check it out. And I think it comes in this version, and then there's like a silver version. Anyway, let me know what you think. Do y'all like this pencil? It feels pretty good. It's got the knurling and stuff, and this is generally a comfortable way to hold it. I like it. Do you have an eraser? We do have an eraser. Okay. So we got an eraser, which isn't too bad. I'm concerned about this. I have this strange feeling it's going to explode into pieces. Okay. So, kind of interesting. Is there instructions on how to do something with this? Pull it apart. You can pull the mouthpiece off, and that off. Replacing lead. Remove the knob in the eraser and put new leads into the lead reservoir. Please use pallet, blah blah blah. If new lead assembly reservoir is not fed properly, the pencil parts. Okay, so apparently you just unscrew it and you pull things out. So that's not too bad. I'm pretty sure that's within my ability without probably breaking it. So anyway, let me know what y'all think. Is this a cool pencil? Is it something you would like? Is there a better mechanical pencil out there? I can tell you that I like the look and feel of it a lot. It's smooth and a little sparkly up here. If you can see little sparklies. I don't know if you can see the sparklies on camera. Anyway, let me know what you think. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.